Hello and welcome to our channel. China is one of the most fascinating countries in the world with a rich history and culture. Today, we are going to share some interesting facts about China that you might not know. So, let's dive in and explore some of the fascinating facts about China. Fact 1. China is the most populous country in the world, with a population of over 1.4 billion people. It is also the fourth largest country in the world, covering an area of 3.7 million square miles. Fact 2. The Great Wall of China, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, is the longest wall in the world, stretching over 13,000 miles. It was built over 2,000 years ago to protect the country from invaders. Fact 3. Chinese cuisine is one of the most diverse and popular cuisines in the world. It is famous for its use of spices, herbs, and sauces, and its unique cooking methods. Fact 4. China is known for its inventions, such as gunpowder, the compass, and paper. These inventions changed the world and had a significant impact on the development of science and technology. Fact 5. The giant panda, one of the most beloved animals in the world, is native to China. It is a symbol of peace and friendship and is highly valued by the Chinese people. Fact 6. China is home to some of the world's most impressive and historic landmarks, such as the Forbidden City, the Terracotta Army, and the Summer Palace. Fact 7. China is a leader in renewable energy, and it is the world's largest producer of solar panels and wind turbines. It is also working towards reducing its carbon emissions to combat climate change. That's all for today's video on interesting facts about China. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed watching. If you have any other interesting facts or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.